So we're back in Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. Corky wanted 10 seconds on the camera.
I just wanted to say, I've never been more about anything in my life. Like, chicken and waffles, I heard Martin rave about it, and I was like, nah, I'll go get some fried chicken and stuff like that. Oh my god, my eyes can open. Onion gravy chicken, waffles, the best thing I've eaten. So
It's pretty much all gone.
Flavours in my mouth. I finished eating, the flavour's still there. I'm still enjoying it. I'm just sitting here, I'm still enjoying it.
You're still battered.
Bex, my girl, if you want chicken, waffles, whatever you want, holler at me, I'll cook it for you, whatever style you want. See you later.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
Carl, last thoughts?
Yeah, it's got, like,
Yeah. Alright, so Snoop Dogg knew what he was talking about. This is Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles.